in this video, we're going to show how to make sure you have the latest RD Manager online on your computer. Now, if you already have RD Manager online on your PC, you want to make sure that you have the latest version. To open RD Manager, go either to your Start menu or to your search bar and type in RD Manager, and you'll see RD Manager Online. Open the program. Next, to find out what version of RD Manager Online you have, go to the icon of the wrench, tap on the drop down, tap on About, and here it will tell you what version you're running. So presently I have 1.2.1, and I know the latest that is out is 1.3. So how do we go ahead and upgrade? Well, tap on the same icon of the wrench and then tap on Check for Updates. In this version jump to 1.2 to 1.3, there's been a new release of the hardware. And so therefore, for us to use that hardware specifically and extract data from it, we would require that new software. So as you can see on the screen, it shows what version I have, and it shows the ability now to upgrade to the downloadable version 1.30. So at this point, we're going to tap the download button, and it's going to tell us what we need to download. We're going to hit the yes button and just wait for it to go ahead and start downloading those options. And there you have it, a sign at the side showing that it's downloading. I'm going to pause the video in the meantime, and we'll see once it completes. Now we're going to open the program again. Now that it's completed its installation, accept. And we go to the icon and we go About. Now we can see that the version has been installed, 1.3.0. And you can do this for any version upgrade that you want going forward. Now, if it is, however, that you don't have RD Manager installed on your laptop or PC, you can download the full installation file of the current version by heading to the website for the specific hardware, RD Manager Online, scrolling down to the end, and you'll see the version that is available, the current version that is available to be downloaded. And that's the process of how to ensure that you have the latest version of RD Manager Online software on your machine, or how to actually upgrade to the latest version by using a download link from the website or the check updates through the app.